People called happy code, happy. That was the most tradition. That's all I know that time. Happy and the short pants, like a Japanese style. That was a very traditional. Now taiko group, although other taiko group is very fashionable. Very fashionable. This is very interesting. Johnny Mori, again Johnny Mori always come, He said, we are American taiko, right? Different from my style. But he played at the zero back, very traditional way he wear those group, happy coat. Very traditional, very interesting. I'm more Americanized now. Those guys said, we are original American, but through his experience, and he studied many things, so he also more understanding many things. They were very traditional way they play.